This is 350 leader, and this is the last war, 1945. Now, let's go. Copy that 350 leader, this is the last war, 1945, due to World War II. Now, Germany is surrendering, now the Japanese must surrender too. Go ahead and be careful and do not get shot down. Righty? I'm now commander of the U.S. Just let me concentrate on the plane and I can shut them out. First objective, destroy enemy fighters. Objective completed. Now, let's go to the second objective. Next objective, destroy enemy trucks on the ground with rockets or machine guns. Objective completed, now to the last objective, and head back home. This is command of the U.S. to 350 leader. This is getting tough. Get out of there and destroy them. So try your best. Oh wow, this is getting tough. He's right. Alright, let's finish this. the allies! Alright, head back to the aircraft carrier. The party this night, right now. Commander out. Zero has landed, releasing rockets.